Welcome back, coders. Get comfortable and grab something to drink. In this episode, we're going to continue where we left off in the installation of NetBeans 19. But first, a recap. In the previous episode, we downloaded and installed NetBeans 19, and then we activated some plugins. Let's remind ourselves how to activate the plugins again. Alright, go to Tools, Plugins, go to the Install tab, select all the plugins you want to activate. Notice there's no check mark to the right. Hit on the Activate button, hit Activate again, wait for a few moments, and then click Finish. Now notice that there's a green check mark to the right of the activated plugins. Hit Close to dismiss the plugins window. Go to Tools, Options, Appearance, select the Look and Feel tab, double check you have the theme you want, go to Fonts and Colors, select the profile you want, you can double check if you like the preview, hit Apply and hit OK.
Good. Now, if you want to change the look and feel even more, you can head on to this GitHub repository and let's see what we have here. This is the Darkula theme, the official Darkula look and feel for programming environments by Konstantin Bulenkov. And the list of projects that use the Darkula theme are all of the JetBrains IDEs, Google Android Studio, NetBeans, and others. How do you get this in NetBeans? Alright, so we need to find a wrapper for this library, and here's one. So this wraps Darkula look and feel and provides the required NetBeans customizations. Alright, to download this, you need to go to the issue side, go to Darkula, and ever since Apache took over NetBeans, they've been doing changes, so some of the plugins that were available before are no longer available. So in order to download this one, we need to find an archive. You can find it over here. You just download the NVM, which is the extension for NetBeans plugins, and you head on to NetBeans, go to Tools, Plugins, wait for a moment, change to the Downloaded tab. You need to add your plugin by selecting the location where you downloaded it. You need to click on Install, hit Next, accept the terms of the license agreement, click on Install, Continue, and restart your IDE. Once NetBeans restarts, you can see if you like the changes. If you don't see the changes yet, you might need to go to Options, Appearance, Look and Feel, select Darkula, and now notice you have a new tab for overriding some of the default values. And in Fonts and Colors, now you have also a Darkula theme. Okay, so I have created a small sample project. This is from an archetype, and I'm going to check how the changes look. So this is an XML file. This is a Java file. Okay, to create this, you need to have a JDK. If you installed NetBeans from the community installers, you already have JDK 20. I'm going to show you how to install different JDKs from different vendors. Okay, let's try to compile this and see all the different aspects like the progress bar, the colors in the output, Okay, so this is how it looks in the output. All these panes you can easily move away by just minimizing them. And in case you lose one of the panes, you can always go to Window and reset your windows. You can also open new panes. You have services, for example, for adding databases, adding servers. I'm going to show you how to install Pajaro server in the next video. Alright, let's continue. Now, let's install different profiles or themes to the one that came with Darkula. In order to do this, we're going to go to NetBeansThemes.com, and this is a collection of user-supplied profiles for NetBeans. And in this case, we're going to install Dracula. But you also have themes like the Monokai Sublime, which is one of the most popular. Alright, let's see the Dracula theme, and we even have the author's website. Here are the installation instructions. See the source code. Okay, so we have releases here, and we have the Dracula theme for NetBeans. Let's download this one. We're going to NetBeans, Tools, Options, Fonts and Colors. I made a duplicate of the Darkula profile. You just click on duplicate and you can make changes to this profile without changing the original. Alright, in this case I'm going to import. Look for the download we just made. Make sure all the checkboxes are marked. Click OK and wait for NetBeans to restart. Okay, so let's check what this profile looks like. Alright, so this is an XML file, HTML file, and a Java file. Let's see how the annotations look. It's more of a pastel color. We have more difference between reserved keywords. And that's it. That's how you install different profiles. Happy coding!